Myself, M. Harina. Currently, I am pursuing second BTech from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I am discussing about the topic User Interface Design Demo Do's and Don'ts. Now, start introduction to UI design. The user interface design is crucial for creating engaging and user-friendly digital products. Good UI enhances user satisfaction and improves overall functionality. This presentation will cover essential do's and don'ts to optimize your UI design skills. So, do prioritize user experience. Focus on the designing interfaces that are and easy to navigate. The conductor user research to understand the needs and the presence of your target audience. Always test your design with real users to gather values feedback. Now, don't overcomplicate the design. Avoid the coloring the interface with unnecessary elements or information. Keep the layout simple and focused on core functionalities. Remember that a clear design helps user find what they need quickly. Don't overcomplicate exercise. This is the diagram. Now, do use consistent visual elements. The maintaining uniformly in colors, fonts, and button style throughout the interfaces. Consistency helps user learn and predict how to interact with your product. Use style guides and design systems to ensure uniformity across all screens. Now, don't ignore the accessibility. The design with accessibility in mind to accommodate all users, including those with disabilities. This is the use sufficient constant readability fonts and alternative text for images. Test your user interface with accessibility tools to identify and fix potential issues. Now, do prioritize mobile responsive. This is the mobile user interface discussing. Now, the ensure your user interface adapts seamlessly to various screens, sizes, and devices. Use flexibility layouts and scalable images to improve usability on your mobile devices. This is the concept of mobile user interfaces. Now, text your interface on your multiple devices to identify and resolve responsive issues. Now, don't use inconsistency or unclear labels. Hmm? The layouts should be descriptive and clearly indicate their functions. Avoid jargons or ambiguous terms that could confuse users. Now, the consistency labeling helps user navigate and understanding your user interface effortlessly. This is the diagram of the inconsistency inconsistency uses. This is the avoid jargon or ambiguous terms that could confuse users. That consistent labeling helps user navigate and understand your interface effortlessly. This is the important. Now, do implement a clear call to action CTA button. This is the CTA means clear call to action. The use primitive visual distinct buttons to guide us user actions. The make CTA labels conscious and action oriented for clarity. The position CTAs strategically to minimize user engagement conversations. Don't neglect feedback and error handling. Don't neglect feedback. Feedback should be the provided immediate and understandable feedback for your actions. The provide immediate and understandable feedback from the user actions. This is the important. The clearly communicate errors and suggest corrective steps. Now, the proper feedback helps build trust and improves overall user experience. Now, the conclusion on best practices. This is the conclusion of the user interface do's and don'ts. Remember that effective user interface balances aesthetics with functionality. Continuously iterate and refine your designs based on your user feedback. Applying these do's and don'ts will lead to more successful and user-centered interfaces. Thank you.